Hello, welcome to my channel, Latina Plants. My name is Jackie. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Today we're doing a shop with me at Home Depot. Just going to check out what they have before the new year. If you're watching this, it is New Year's Eve. And here in the entryway, they had a bunch of succulent arrangements available. Some of the Christmas leftover plants. And walking in, they have this display here. Looks like it's a catch-all. There's so many different varieties of plants on here, no rhyme or reason. Some don't look in super good condition, but they have a lot of the amaryllis bulbs, you guys, and I believe they are on sale as well. Here they have the Proven Winners Leaf Joy line. We have taken a look at these plants in the past on my shop with me's. They still have a lot of the Hoyas, and sadly, some of them are not doing so well because they've been here for so long. And here they have the H2O bowls with your syngoniums, philodendrons, some Dracaena varieties, and I believe all of the layers are about a repeat of the same kind of plants. Just giving you a little overview of them. And over next to this display, they had some more cacti and succulents. Again, we've seen these in the past. Some aloes available here. And behind that, they had the Costa Farms Wick and Grow. These are going $3 for $12, which I thought was a great deal for these size plants. And you get different varieties. You get some crotons, some fern varieties, some marantas, dracaenas. You can get some ivies. They have the button fern in there, phoetonias. And here they had their hanging baskets. They have some marble queens, some lemon lime philodendron. They also had a lot of healthy baskets of the Cebu Blue and the philodendron Brazil. They had your rainbow moss. I believe that's the name of that plant. They also had here that I'm pointing out your Hoya Crimson Princess, some Hawaiian pothos, some spider plants and ferns. And to my surprise, they also had some different varieties of lipstick plants. They had the Black Pagoda lipstick plant and the Mona Lisa lipstick plant available. I was super shocked to see these. They don't always have these available in my big box stores. And I like these lipstick plants because the back of the leaves has a really nice pattern. This one looks like it needs some more sun, so the pattern on the back of the leaf is not so prominent. Up here they had some more hanging baskets. They have a different Maranta in the back there, and some more spider plants. Here on this table display, they had some more of the Costa Farm Wick and Grow varieties. Again, these are going 3 for $12. Great price if you want to grab some smaller plants. I know that a lot of us like to grow small plants into larger plants. And then on the bottom, they had some more available there. Here from the Plainview Pure, they had some Sansevieria whale fins. Some of these peperomias for $12.98. Down below, they had some Dracaenias and some beautiful begonia varieties, you guys. Looking beautiful, so colorful, really nice begonias. I think they've been here for a while. Some of them are looking a little crispy. They had some Hoyas here, the Hoya pubicalix, the Crimson Queen, and then down below they had some succulents and cacti. This one kind of looked like the jade, but it also looks like the flapjack. I'm not sure what it's called. It says White Sabrina, but I don't know if they are calling that the pot, that name, or what. This is a fishbone cactus or the rickrack cactus. And then they had this variety here. It just says Deco leaf cactus. I'm not sure what the actual name of that cactus is. I know that somebody was inquiring about that in the past, but it isn't labeled, you guys. Here they have the little cute pots of different sansevierias and succulents. Up top they had some Aurelias and Dracaenias. Over on this side, some more cacti and sansevierias. And some succulent arrangements on the bottom. Here's a quick look at the orchids that they have. And on this table, they had this variegated euphorbia, as well as some tradescantias, peperomias, and I think this is the Pink Panther tradescantia. Down below, they had the green peperomia version. Over on this rack, they had the Vigoro line. If I'm not mistaken, Vigoro is also from Costa Farms. I'm not sure why the different name, but if you know the details, let me know down below in the comments. They had a bunch of different, very full baskets, you guys, of the Aglionemas, some ZZs, some beautiful Sansevieria varieties. Here is a look at the floor plants that they have. They have the fiddle leaf fig, as well as the peace lily, sansevierias, the bird of paradise, and they all look so full and healthy. Really nice floor plants if you're looking for some larger floor plants. And I found another display of the Costa Farms exotic angels, the Wiccan Grow. And here are the amaryllis bulbs. They're going for 50% off. And yeah, if you're looking for amaryllis bulbs, now would be the time to get them. Snag a couple different colors, and you can plant them and save them for next year if you'd like. And here are some more of their larger floor plants. Some Dieffenbachias, I believe. Monstera deliciosa, beautiful Monstera deliciosas. Some more fiddle leaf ferns, some parlor palms, and some more Dracaenia varieties. Here is another proven winners cart. They didn't have a whole lot left of this line, but I wanted to show you what they had in my store. We have seen these in my previous shop with me. I'm really surprised that that philodendron is still there. Over on this table, they have a variety, again, of the Vigoro line. They have different Aglionemas, Dieffenbachias, the lemon meringue pothos, some Sansevierias, Dracaenias, and some Calathea varieties, as well as golden pothos. Really nice, full, lush pots, you guys. I really like the way the leaves on this Aglaonema looked with the white stems. It was really pretty and different. And then down below, they had a bunch of cacti and succulents. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this shop with me. I hope you have a happy new year, and I will check you guys out on my next video. Bye!